Well, hello, family and friends, on this beautiful day that has been given to us. UncleGrandpaHaven, the part-time solo cruiser. Cheers, living in hotels and on cruise ships. And family and friends, I just want to talk to you a couple of minutes while the Stock Market Sisters get ready for their presentation to you, how to read stock charts. You know, sometimes we may not feel like we're part of the American family. Sometimes it feels like the opportunity in this country is far out of reach. But in this country, we are entitled to the opportunity, not guaranteed, to build wealth. And I believe fear is one of the factors that prevents us from building wealth. Fear of not knowing, fear of failing, fear of even trying is often what keeps us from taking the next step. This is why I'm trying my best with the Stock Market Sisters, my granddaughters, to show you that if 11, 9, 8, and almost a 1-year-old can start grabbing the basic concepts, you can too. Even though my videos are not the best, it is an introduction to show you that you can start achieving the American dream. The message here is simple, family and friends. Take what I'm introducing to you, build on it, and keep going. Because it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Let's break the cycle. Let's make sure that we do not let our fears become our children's inheritance. Because what we build today is what they will stand on tomorrow. Family and friends, with that said, sit back, grab a cup of tea, and let's start our next journey. Stock Market Sisters, assemble.
Did you know that you can purchase shares too? That's right. Owning a piece of a company isn't just for millionaires or Wall Street brokers anymore. Today, with a phone, a few dollars, and the right mindset, you can become a shareholder. You don't have to start big, you just have to start. And to make this plain, let's take it back to something simple, a lemonade stand. Because sometimes the best way to understand stock ownership is by watching how a small business grow in the real world. You see, the best way to build wealth is by accumulating assets, and one of the most accessible way to wealth is owning shares of a company. Today, we're talking about stock investing, what it means, how it works, and how to read a start chart to make informed decisions. And yes, we're bringing the Stock Market Sisters lemonade to the table to just show how easy and how powerful this journey can be. But don't get it twisted. Wealth takes time, patience, and knowledge. This is a journey, not a race. So what is stock investing? It's the purchase of shares, tiny pieces of a corporation that's publicly traded. And guess what? You can own shares of some of your favorite brands: McDonald's, Nike, Apple, Coca-Cola, even Tesla. And I know what you're thinking. How? Well, let me tell you. Take a look at this, a stock chart. It shows how a company price moves throughout the day, the week, or even the year. To buy a piece of this company, you'll need a broker. Think of them like your middleman, like going to the grocery store. You don't pick apples from a tree, you buy them from the store. That store is called your broker. Back in the day, you had to call your broker, maybe even walk into their office just to make a trade. But now, thanks to technology, you can invest right here from your phone using an online broker, or an app, or a website that lets you buy shares directly. It's just like Amazon. You choose what you want online, make your order, and it shows up. Only this time, what shows up is ownership. You now own a piece of a multi-billion-dollar company that easy. But hold on now, little investors. Before you jump in, you got to know how to read the map. And that map is the stock chart. Understand why prices go up and down is the first step to become a smart investor. All right now, welcome back to the clubhouse. Today, we digging into the real game, how to read a stock chart. Don't worry if it looks like a bunch of numbers and squiggly lines right now. After this, you will be looking at charts like a young CEO.
Every company in the stock market has a short name called a ticker symbol. It's like the company's nickname when you're looking it up.
AAPL stands for Apple. NKE, that's Nike. DIS, you guessed it, Disney. MCD is McDonald's. RBLX, that's Roblox. If you want to invest, you gotta know how to find your team on the field.
Candlesticks. Those blocks and lines tell us how the stock price moved. Y-axis, the money side. It shows how high or low the price went. And time frame, because what you see depends on how far back you look.
In a candlestick chart, each candle represents price movement within a specific time frame, such as a minute, hour, or day. A single candlestick has 4 key components. Number 1, the open. This is where the price started during that time frame. 2, the close. This is where the price ended when the time frame was complete. 3, the high. This shows the highest price reached during that period. And 4, the low. This shows the lowest price reached. These 4 points, open, close, high, and low, give us a complete picture of how price moved. The body of the candlestick shows the range between the open and the close. If the candlestick is green, it means the price closed higher than it opened. If the candlestick is red, it means the price closed lower than it opened. The thin line or wicks above and below the body show the highest and lowest prices reached, even if the candlestick didn't open or close at those points. Together, these parts tell us a story of market behavior at that moment.
Not all candlesticks will look the same. Some might have long bodies, short bodies, tall wicks, no wicks. It depends on how the price moved. See this side right here? That's the y-axis, the price side of the chart. Each number going up means the stock price is rising. If the line on the chart is moving upward, the stock is gaining value. If it's moving down, the price is dropping. We read the y-axis to know how much the stock was worth at any point in time. It's like the price tag of the market.
Time frame is all about how much time you're looking at on the chart. 1 day, 1 month, 1 year, even minutes. They all tell a story at different times. If you only look at 1 day, you might see a dip and freak out, but zoom out to 6 months, that dip might be just a tiny part of a big rise. That's why smart investors choose the right time frame before they make moves. The time frame tells you how far back you're looking on a stock chart. It could show just 1 minute, 1 day, or a whole year. If you pick daily, you're only seeing the last 24 hours.
But if you pick monthly, you're looking at monthly action. Time frames help us decide, is this stock having a bad day, or is it winning over months?
Don't get scared by the words. Learn new financial words and speak them. Once you get comfortable with these words, the more comfortable your financial wealth becomes.
We're going to use our lemonade stand as an example on why prices move and how it will look on a candlestick.
Imagine the Stock Market Sisters lemonade stand is a public trading company. The stock market opens at 9:30 a.m. and the Stock Market Sistas lemonade share price is $1. At midday, due to high demand, the share price rises to $1.50. Later in the day, due to rain, demand is low, share prices drop to 75 cents. At 3:30 p.m., the share price rises to $1.09.